you at, Grant? Where would you be hiding? You want to pick it? Ran in here somewhere.
I've played this before. All right, you want me to?
Go ahead.
Got Ninja Ultra.
Ultra. Mega.
Go ahead.
One more?
Yeah.
Grant.
Yeah.
You removed the minor, so we're bound for any of the four.
Go ahead, mama.
Go ahead.
I get a percentages, right?
Grant.
41-36.
That's better than anything.
Right.
Yeah, but
I know.
it's a call to
Congratulations. Thanks for letting me do that. That was fun.
Thank you. Look at that, baby.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought Grandma was gonna hit one of these because you know Grandma they always hit something high like that.
That would have been amazing.
That would have been God. Hey, how many times I've been there? 3 already?
Yep.
See if we can do it again. Damn, I just needed a pink 7 right there. Come on, right here. Where's the help of the ride? Yeah, 7. $12, I'll take it. Where's the help of the ride? You need to wake up too because, oh, we did pop that.
Yeah, that's what we just played.
Oh yeah.
Building right back into it.
Nah, I think I'm gonna get up. I like this game though because the bonus 7 times 4 times 4. 7's a good win. $18. 5 of a kind. $18. No, because it got good line pay. That's the only reason why I like it. Like it's decent. And then I like the bonus. You get a bonus pretty decent. 7. You get decent bonuses. Bonus. One more. Oh, I got the coins. Bonus. That's what I like the most, the bonus. Oh, come on, 4. 60 cents. Bonus. Damn, bro, that 7 up there would have been beautiful. Coins, man. Sometimes it pop faster too.
Yeah, no, that's what I thought was going to happen.
7, damn. Bonus. Come on, damn, the 7 don't count. 7. 60. Big our drinks coming. 5, 10. Come on, bonus us. You heard me calling you. 7. 4. $9.
Mr. Ready that Kareem?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy it so
You got
much.
change for 20?
Yes. How much back?
Give me 15.
Thank you very much, baby. I appreciate you guys.
Thank you.